The ideal house plans for family homes should be designed to meet the needs of each individual. These plans, which make the lives of families more comfortable, efficient, and enjoyable, offer large spaces, functional arrangements, and flexibility for the future. Especially for families with children, it is important that each room in the house is designed correctly. The central areas of the home are shaped around social spaces, such as large living rooms, kitchens, and dining areas where family members can spend time together. In such plans, the kitchen is often considered the heart of the home. It is an important center for both cooking and spending time with the family. Open-plan kitchens are often combined with the living room and dining room, allowing family members to spend more time together. Multi-purpose rooms are also often used in family homes. Additional zones such as play areas for children, reading corners, or office spaces make the home more functional. With children's safety and comfort in mind, private areas such as bedrooms and bathrooms are often placed in quiet corners of the house. This way, both adults and children can relax in spaces that are independent of each other. In addition, spaces for family members to interact with each other also play an important role in the planning of the house. Large windows, spacious rooms with natural light, and passageways that facilitate the transition between open spaces create a feeling of comfort and openness inside the house. Storage solutions are also very important in family homes, especially for families with children. Organized storage of play toys, clothes, and other items keeps the home organized. Storage spaces can be designed to save space and can be customized according to the needs of each room. Walk-in closets, modular storage systems, and multi-purpose furniture allow for more efficient use of space in the home. The outdoor spaces in the home are also very important for family life. A large garden, patios, and terraces create great spaces for family members to spend time.